Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the latest Chelsea team's news. Ahead of their Premier League match against Aston Villa, there is some very good news for Chelsea fans, especially about Cole Palmer. Chelsea manager Enzo Maresca has confirmed that Cole Palmer is now fully fit and ready to play a full 90 minutes if needed. Palmer played almost 80 minutes against Newcastle last weekend, and his fitness has improved with every game. Earlier, his minutes were limited because of a small groin issue, but Maresca says Palmer is now ready. Chelsea have also received a boost with Estevao and Liam Delap both available for Saturday's match. Estevao missed the last two games with a minor problem, while Delap has been out since earlier December with a shoulder injury. The injury was not as serious as feared, and he is now ready to return. There is also positive news as Dario Esugo has returned to training after surgery. However, Romeo Lavia is still out with a muscle injury, and Levi Colwill remains unavailable as he continues his recovery from a ACL injury. Chelsea will play most of their upcoming matches in London, starting with home games against Aston Villa and Bournemouth. Maresca has made it clear that he is not thinking about transfer right now, and he is fully focused on the squad he has. So that's the latest Chelsea injury update ahead of the Aston Villa match. Cole Palmer is fit, key players are returning, and Chelsea are looking stronger. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more football news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.